welcome back to my channel. Right now I'm filming in my new beauty room. I just moved out of my parents' house and I have my own apartment. I live here with my boyfriend. This is gonna be my beauty studio. I'll give you a tour later. Hi, my name's Gigi. If you're new here, please, I would really like if you could subscribe to my channel. If you don't want to subscribe, you can follow me on Instagram. Okay, so in today's videos, I'm going to be transforming my curly hair because I have not been taking care of my hair. So this is my hair. I shampooed and conditioned it and I didn't put anything else in it. So this is my hair. So we're going to be treating my hair and we're gonna style it and we're just gonna transform it. We're just gonna transform it. It literally looks like I have dreadlocks. Like,
no, it literally doesn't.
it looks like it's dry. So let's get started. A 2-step protein treatment. So the first step is this one. And you're not gonna be able to read it because it's backwards.
I now realize how dumb I am and how cameras work.
I think my hair needs to be a little bit wet, but fuck it. It says to shake it well, so I'm gonna go like this. All right, how am I gonna get this? So I'm gonna go a little bit there. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Oh no, I spilled it everywhere. It smells really bad. It smells like, I don't know if it goes over the, I have to put it all over my head. I have a cut and it's stinging. I have a cut in my hand and it's stinging. This is making my hair very hard. I didn't even get it all over my hair. Okay, and put this clip in it. Okay, now we wait until it hardens and I'm gonna go wash my hands, okay? I moved to my bathroom because I learned my lesson and I'm not making a mess. So right now my hair is a little hard.
That's what she said.
I obviously did a bad job with it and I'm upset. See? I have to take this out. It's sticky, smells weird, and it's like hard. Like, look how stiff that is. Stiff where? Here, bitch. What are the rules? Where's part 2? It was right here. It was right here the whole time. Alright, so this says, use on wet hair to maintain moisture. This is the second packet. This is how I'm doing it. This one doesn't smell as bad, but it's definitely a weird smell. Already we're looking much better. All right, now we're gonna keep this in my hair for 2 more minutes. I'll be back. Back 2 minutes later. My hair looks healthier and shinier. This is working. All right, let me take it out. You guys are gonna have to come back for a better, like, curly hair thing when I have like my diffuser and I have all my products and all my right stuff. So these are the only 3 products right now I have for my hair, which is a reason that my hair is as messed up as it is. I need to go out and I need to buy new hair products. It's mostly because I just moved here and I got rid of everything that was about to be done or it's still at my parents' house. So I only have these 3 products, so that's what I'm gonna be using. Oh shit, it's got in my mouth. This isn't my normal curly hair routine. This is a curl maker. I live by this and I get it from Target. So I am putting this through my hair. And then last but not least, this is an anti-frizz styling cream. So now if I had a diffuser, I would use it, but I don't. It looks so good right now. My hair needed this. It doesn't look bad. It looks, look at this. before I was in a dreadlock. But wait, there's more. I like to take these two little ones and take a big hair tie, and I tie this. Tell me what you think about my hair. It feels really good, it smells really good, it's nice and healthy. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, follow me on my other social media. They will be linked down below. Stay tuned for an apartment tour. Bye. Thanks guys for watching.
It's Gigi, bitches.